ペタンぴったんこぴょこんぺたんぴったんこ殿様がえるアマガエルカエルにいろいろあるけれどこの世で一匹平面ガエルのぴょん吉様はぴょんぴょんぴょんとは泣かないで根性根性と根性泣いて笑って喧嘩して憎いよこのど根性ガエルどっこい生きてるシャツの中
Dear Mommy Chan, it's me, Shikun. I wonder if you could walk to me so we could watch a show I animated or something.
What?
My lucky day?
As far as you take it, it's not enough for us anymore.
Well, I'm not really interested in that. Well, I was just looking for the golden dorayaki. I want to eat the rare dorayaki.
Well, it is a Japanese form. It's different from American money.
Well, I don't really know. Well, I don't really know what a money or yen is.
Not exactly, but you could spend $22
Yeah, I know that, but I don't know how to make money.
Hey, Mario, can we use one of your gifts?
Okay. Nah, maybe ask a random salesman or a tiny rodent like me.
Chicken, you don't know that sense.
What a deal! I smell the kesantsu. I need to get to the kesantsu.
Okay, people, Mr. Iemi has come to give you money.
Yes, everyone, it's me, Yami-sansu.
I don't know. Hey, are you not
No, Sansu-sansu.
Mr. Iemi, I think we should...
Shut up, dumber, Sansu. And now that, I'll give something cool, Sansu.
Poketail pushed the rock. Zanzu, oh hell, let it go!
Chicken!
Finally, I'm free. It's just not fair. I have to wait until the egg hatches. But come on, man.
Are you okay? What are you? Oh, I haven't seen.
Why is the egg jumping?